So in this Notes app tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use math notes on the Notes app. So for example, if I were to go ahead and type in a bunch of different math equations, so 2 plus 2, 5 times 5, I don't know, 10 divided by 2, 10 times 10, whatever, right? Nothing comes up. Now, if you want to use the math notes effectively, just go ahead and select like a note. Go to the top right, press on the three dots, and then where it says math results, go ahead and select that. Now, you can either do this insert results, suggest results, or off. If you were to just go ahead to insert results right here, you can go ahead and press on it. It's going to equal 4. Go ahead and press on this one. Press space equals 25. You can go ahead, press the space bar here. Press enter. Go ahead, press space bar. Press enter, and it'll go ahead and solve all of your math equations that way. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That's how to use math notes on the Notes app. Hope this video helps.